Saxon Phonics Lesson 58 Worksheet. Number 1, B. 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 Number 2, D. 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 And sometimes ED can sound like D. Remember, our B has a belly and our D has a diaper. Number 3, R. 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 Number 4, I. I. Number 5, H. Number 6, M. Number 7, O. L and double L. Number 8, S. S and double S. Number 9, U. Number 10, W. W. Let's spell some words. Number 11, them. 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 Number 12, smell. Smell. Oh. There's our double L that makes the L sound. Smell. 13, tool. Toll. T-L-E. And we know that goes with the word like bottle. Number 14, goal. Goal. G-L-E. Number 15, little. Little. L-I-T-L. Little. Number 16, bottle. B-A-T-L. B-A-T-L. Bottle. Number 17, bugle. 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 Look at 18 through 22. Which word spells rattle? Rattle. Right, number 18. Look at 23 through 27. Which word says cube? Cube. Right, number 25. Cube. When you're ready, flip your worksheet over. A little beetle fell in a mud puddle. He tossed and struggled to free himself. He grabbed a twig and flipped himself from the mud. He was safe at last. Okay, listen for this for the answer to this question. What fell in the puddle? Repeat each sentence after me. A little beetle fell in a mud puddle. He tossed and struggled to free himself. He grabbed a twig and flipped himself from the mud. He was safe at last. Question 1. What fell in the puddle? What fell in the puddle? Question 2. What did the beetle grab? Puddle, mud, or twig? What did the beetle grab? Puddle, mud, or twig? Number 3. What did he flip himself from? The mud, the beetle, the twig? What did he flip himself from? The mud, the beetle, the twig? When you're finished, turn in your worksheet to your teacher.